Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest costumes this season, the Afoxos Red Panda costume. If you're looking for the best turning red costume for adults, look no further. Let's explore what makes this costume stand out. This costume from Afoxos is not just any ordinary Halloween outfit. It's designed to bring the adorable and quirky Mei Lee from Pixar's Turning Red to life. Made from ultra-plush materials, it promises comfort and warmth, perfect for those chilly Halloween nights or cozy indoor parties. The attention to detail is remarkable, from the expressive red panda face on the hood to the tail that adds a playful touch. It's not just a costume, it's an experience. Let's talk about features. The Afoxos Red Panda costume is crafted from soft flannel, ensuring a snug fit and keeping you warm during colder weather. Whether you're lounging at home, attending a costume party, or even participating in a cosplay event, this costume delivers on comfort and style. Plus, it's easy to slip into and move around in, thanks to its one-piece design and elastic cuffs at the wrists and ankles. No more fumbling with complicated costumes, this one is straightforward and fun. Quality-wise, Afoxos doesn't disappoint. The attention to detail extends beyond just aesthetics, it's about ensuring durability and comfort. The stitching is secure, and the fabric feels luxurious to the touch. The design mimics Mei Lee's endearing red panda transformation, capturing the essence of the character perfectly. It's cute, expressive, and bound to turn heads wherever you go. Versatility is another strong suit of this costume. Beyond Halloween, you can wear it for themed parties, movie nights, or simply as cozy loungewear. It's a conversation starter and a mood lifter, perfect for those who love to stand out with a touch of whimsy. Whether you're channeling your inner Mei Lee or just want to embrace your playful side, this costume adapts to any occasion. Wrapping up, the Afoxos Red Panda costume truly lives up to its reputation as the best turning red costume for adults in the market. With its superb comfort, charming design, and versatility, it's a must-have for any fan of the film or anyone looking to add a bit of fun to their wardrobe. So, if you're ready to transform into Mei Lee from Turning Red or simply want an exceptional costume that combines quality with cuteness, look no further than the Afoxos Red Panda costume. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques and recommendations. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like me to review next. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off. Stay cozy and creative.